Do you have seasickness? Do you have motion sickness? Is your stomach feeling a little upset? Do you feel a little nauseated? Do you feel like you're going to vomit? If this is you, and you're in very much discomfort, and you happen to watch this video, and even if your stomach feels really fine, and you stumble across this video, one thing that I found that is really excellent for giving you a happy tummy is ginger. And ginger is one of those spicy herbs that everybody is really familiar with. Sometimes you may have, gingerbread cookies, right, for Christmas. Or you might have ginger in your pumpkin pie or in your eggnog. It's usually a spice that people use around the holiday seasons. But then they kind of forget about it throughout the rest of the year, which is kind of unfortunate because it's so healthy for you. It has really powerful anti-inflammatory effects at reducing arthritis, and that's because it's got these compounds, these anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, and those are the substances which help explain why it's so powerful at reducing pain. So there's studies actually that have been done backing these effects that you can look at if you're more interested in, actually looking at the studies themselves. I can put those studies into the description box. But just going over here quickly, it's like I say, ginger is one of the best things for gastrointestinal relief. In fact, it's been shown to even be more effective than some over-the-counter pharmaceutical drugs. And really, all you have to do, at least in my case, is whenever I have an upset stomach or feel like I'm going to vomit or something, I will heat up a cup of water, 1 cup, 8 ounce of water, and then I will add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger powder to that and mix it up, and maybe add a little bit of raw honey to sweeten it a little, because it's very spicy and very powerful tasting, something that you might have to acquire a taste for, but then drink it, and within a few minutes you should start feeling a bit better. It is very effective. I've used it before many times, and it really does help a lot. Ginger's been shown to induce cell death in ovarian cancer cells. Ginger has immune boosting action. It can warm you up because it has that warming effect. When you're drinking it, it can help promote healthy sweating. Sweating is good because it helps the detoxification process. It says German researchers have recently found that sweat contains a potent germ-fighting agent that may help fight off infections. And other than that, guys, ginger, like I say, is one of those really great spices. It's probably sitting in your cabinet that you might think that is kind of useless, or that you only use it for food. But it's, if you don't have any other thing for your stomach in your cabinet, just go grab some ginger powder and put a teaspoon in there with some hot water and drink that down, and I bet you anything that you will notice very quick relief very, very fast.